Welcome back here again to my closet installations. So we'll be installing an IKEA. This is the upgraded IKEA PAX unit. So the only problem that we're having here right now is the closet, the existing closet. We don't have enough room for this PAX unit. So it's already, we're gonna try our best to open it up and see how it goes. Alright, so this is what's going on right now in the closet. We removed the two drywall. So now without the drywall, it's 49 and 3/8, and the cabinet is 49. So if I'll add up 1/4 here, so we have 1/8 spacing. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Alright. Okay, so we're just gonna put the stuff here. Now all the wall is ready, so now it's time to build this PAX unit. Here. Boom. This one goes at the back. Goes here. This one here, that's there. All right, so the wall, the enclosure that we have here is a little bit too far back, so we need to build it out a little bit. Because what the plan that we want for this cabinet, we want it to almost flush out from the wall. Okay, so now we're good. Alright, so after we put the build up, now we can push it in. Now let's put the top one. Okay, make sure you push this one all the way, otherwise it's not gonna go in. Alright, so there's the one that goes there. The manual says you gotta put this one first, but I don't do it like that. Now we're putting these two. The one that goes on the hanger. So this one here Not like that. Yes, it's like this. And then and goes here. Make sure it's not loose. See how Okay, now let's put the top on. My situation right now, it's gonna be challenge because I have no space to play with. See how it fitted both ends. So meaning I can't open the top side panel. So it's gonna be tough. So best thing to do this one is if you want to insert this one into enclosure cabinet, you need to have at least half an inch both sides spacing. So we have to pull out the cabinet. Right, so this one coming out. There you go. Alright, so I have to pull out the cabinet all the way out. Or we're gonna have a problem soon to push it in. So now let's put it in. Let's try to push it in. Okay, we're good to go. So to adjust the leg, you gotta use this Allen key that they provided. Right. Alright, so now let's attach this cabinet together. Alright, so you gotta remove the bottom, or don't put the bottom yet, so that way you can put your step ladder there. So now, after we attach the cabinet together, now we can mount it. See this one? How to put this guy? Let's tighten up the cabinet. So, alright, so now everything is secure. Also put one screw here. So that way it was. So now we can put the bottom first. Alright, so whenever you do this, always start at the bottom. Alright, so now we're continuing the lighting. So the lighting we're going to be installing right under the shelves, not on here. Yeah. Okay, so we're good. All right, so let's continue putting the door on. Alright, putting these hinges on the door, either glass door or just the regular door. This one has a damper. This one doesn't have. So there's gonna be two. So the two, we'll put it both at the ends, right? Both ends. And the non-dumper one, we'll put it in the middle. Make sure the hinges. Make sure it's sitting right properly. No gap, nothing. Make sure it's nice and tight. See, as you can see, make sure it's flush. See the one here? It's not sitting properly. It's supposed to be like that. Make sure it's like that. You know? So we'll fix that one. Now it's good. So you just loosen it up and put it back again. And make sure to push it properly. Alright, so let's put the other door. Oh, all right. Okay, right now, so let's put the handle that they provided. All right, so now we're done.
Maybe we can,
Let's check the
maybe we
light.
can go and look at those flooring walls over there.
There you go.